I will love you always, and I promise I'll give you the best, my love. You meant more than life to me, and I love you more than words can say. You, you be the only one that I love for always, forever to cherish. With I want you close to me. Oi, shout out to you. Oh, with me. Hindi na ka nagla-live ha? Ay, siyang, ganit siyang. Ay, sunod. And filmmaker in my heart. Oh, and so, napa kayo music? Naka-music siya. Musta siyang siya? Musta? Uy, hilalap niya. You, yes, you are my sunshine. You are the reason I read more. And there's nothing. Oh, you miss me? Shout out to you. Welcome. What more? I need you. I need some in my life. I'm so one. Shout out to you. Welcome. I want you always by my side. Kumusta ka na siya? And now and for always. Whisper this word to me, and that we will always be together, just you and me forever. I want to speak with you, baby. Oi, Jules Best, welcome to the live. Shout out, shout out. Every moment with you. Oi, Shakira. Always. Oi, Pabel, welcome to the live. Thank you for dropping by. Bye talaga naman. Salamat. Sure ba? Whoa. I want to give you all my love, my heart, my soul, my life, everything. Uy, nandito yung kababayan mo. Always. Sana alala talaga tayo. Sana. Thank you guys for coming. Kamusta 85? Yan. Jima Kapuno. Kamusta naman ikaw, Jima Kapuno? Huh? I'm gonna sing it for you, alright? Yes. It's a very good song from Mr. 85. Yes.
You know, I've always
Sang
found it
sang, pakin
strange.
naman. Yan,
People
good
really
sang.
want to say money, but they're so willing
Oh,
to
no.
toss their hard-earned coin
Tinin
into a
na.
3-foot pool of disappointment.
Okay guys, huwag kayong mahirap pumasok sa Mr. Joe. Happy advance Valentine's sa lahat po. Yan. Thank you sa like siya. Okay, siya na. Alright, welcome to Mr. 85! No. I must be crazy now. Maybe I drink too much. But when I think of you, I long to feel your touch, to whisper in your ear words as around us time, words only you would hear if only you were mine. I wish I could go back to the very first day I saw you. Should we make my move with you out in my eyes? Cause by now I know that you feel the way that I do. And I whisper this word as you lie here by my side. I love you. Let's say your love. Oy, kulit! Shit, welcome to Master Ready, boy! Kumusta? These three words, they could change our life forever. Oy! Nandito si kabayan. Hernandez pa. Pastel. Tama po. Ito pa lang mo. Till the end of time. Shout out sa'yo. Oy, mga palakpak. Guys, 3 million. Shout out. So the day I finally find the courage deep inside just to walk right up to your door. But my body can't move when I finally get to it. Just like 1,000 times before. Then without a word, he handed me this letter. Isa na. Red, I hope this find your way into your heart and say, I love you. Oi, Marianne, welcome to my life. Blessing your love means you. These three words, they could change our life forever. And I promise that you will always be together. Uy, shout out sa'yo. GB, shout out sa'yo. Welcome. Witness, shout out sa'yo. Ay, salamat. Well, maybe I need a little love. Hello. Hi. And maybe I need a little care. 5 p.m. Marida Titanon. Good morning sir. Somebody just to hold you. If you do, just reach out and I'll be there. Say you love me too. Please say you love me. Ay, nandito yung friend ko sa YouTube. This big world, they could change our life forever. And I promise that you will always be together. Oy, Linda, siya na siya. I love you. Isa na ulit. Blessed love me too. Say you love me too. Oy, Nathaniel, welcome. Oy, thank you so much. Thank you so much, Nathaniel. Welcome, Nathaniel. Thank you very much. Ay, sana ulit. Tama na more. Thank you so much. Welcome to my life. Thank you naman very much. Nice. Ayan. Oy, 5 p.m. Madidida Pitanon. Siya natin welcome. 4 million eyes yan. Like, welcome to Mr. 85. Yan.
Hey, I got her a little.
Oy, Lovely Siyang. Eh, nandito si Lovely Siyang. Ito ka na rin mag-tiktok ha. Lovely Siyang.
Global
Titiktok ka na rin.
Karaoke TV.
Nathaniel, thank you po. Thank you sa blessing. Yan. 6 million! Shout out sa'yo. Oy, KW, shout out sa'yo. Mads de la Rosa. Oh, Tatawa. You know, when you know, so let's face it. Ay, ba show? You had me, I don't know. Hesitation never helps. How could this be anything else? When all I dream of is your eyes, all I long for is your touch, and darling, some. And I take the coldest love. Uy, ano ba ito? Namali ako yung pindot ko. Yung filter. Sana all. Grabe. Ay, thank you sa pagtira natin. Ano ba yan? Puso. Thank you sa puso. Advance, sabi ka lang tayo. When all I dream of is your eyes, all I'm looking for. Uy, sana all. Tama naman. And darling, sometimes help me. Baby ko, hindi pa matali. That's it. Okay lang yan. Valentine's naman. Dapat mapula. Hindi ko. This love. Aray ko. Sarap. This love. Oh, you me shout out sa'yo. Thank you so much, guys. Punta sa akin lang. Huwag ka makulit dyan, ano? All I dream of is your eyes. All I long for is your touch. And darling, something tells me that you know. You can say that I'm a fool. Oh, Moonlight River, shout out. Much, but I take the call. Oh, I take the call. Yes, I take the call. This love. This love. Ay, ayan, tapos yung awitin ni Mr. 80.
At Cox, your internet
Maraming salamat po, guys. Thank you
5 years
so
from 5
much.
Halloween to 5 4th of Julys. Same price guaranteed. Cox, a step ahead.
Oy. Oy, Mar! Nandito si Mar. Shout out sa'yo, Mar. Basyong, anong yan? Tropa to siya. Ay, siya ba? I've been alone with you inside my mind and in my dreams and kiss your lips 1,000 times. I sometimes hear you buzz outside my door. Hello, Suswan, thank you so much. It's me you're looking for. I can see it in your eyes. I can see it in your smile. You're all I ever. Pupo! Sorry. Tama na more. Oy, miss, no, siya na siya. Cause you know just what to say, and you just know what to do. I want to tell you so much. I love you. Ay, sarap. Pag-share ba? Sila pin eh. Pag-share dyan mo sila. Ay, kabayan. Siya na siya. I want to see the sunlight in your hair and tell you time and time again how much I care. Oy, Alexandra, siya na siya. My heart will overflow. Hello, it's Corbin Girl, siya na siya. I just got to let you know, 'cause I wonder where you are, and I wonder what to do. Are you somewhere feeling lonely, or someone loving you? Uy, sin, dyan na tayo. Tell me how to win your heart, for I haven't got a clue. But let me start by saying I love you lang. Ay, sarap. Sarap, sarap. Sure, Malaysian, welcome to my life. Thank you po ang mga bigyan nag-blessing kami sa Easy Life. Maraming salamat po guys. Thank you so much. Hello, is this me you're looking for? 'Cause I wonder where you are, and I wonder what to do. Are you somewhere feeling lonely, or someone loving you? Hi, Bang! Tell me how to win your heart, for I haven't got a clue. But let me start by saying I love you. Ayan. Talaga naman ano. Kanta ay na-in love din yung mga kanta. No guys, no? Pinakinggan nyo.
Isn't it great that
Magdadala.
T-Mobile's got home internet? T-Mobile home internet.
Miss Lo, thank you for pag-share sa live. Miss Lo, thank you so much. Ayan. Advance, happy Valentine's sa inyo lahat. Yan. Pula-pula yung lips. Sa nalitiway ba? Sana? You light up another cigarette and then asa? 41. It's 4 o'clock in the morning and it's starting to get light. Now I'm right where I want to be, losing track of time. But I wish that it was still last night. Hi, Crystal Cheryl. Crystal Cheryl, you know, you look like you're in another world, but I can't read your mind. How can you be so far away, lying by my side? When I go away, I miss you. I will be thinking of you every night and day. Just promise me to wait for me, 'cause I'll be saving Oh, hey Gina, shout out to you. And I will be home soon. Promise you wait for me. I need to know you felt that summer too. Rosalind, pagunpi, pagunpi. Rosalind pagunpi siya. Hey guys, salamat sa mga tumambay kay Mr. Kitty. Gina, thank you for sa like. When I go away, I wish you, and I will be thinking of you every night and day. Hey Claire, shout out to you. You wait for me, cause I'll be saving all my love for you. And I will be home soon. Promise me, you wait for me. I need to know you feel the same way too. I'll be home, I'll be home. Promise me, you wait for me, cause I'll be saving. Oh, hi Ling, shout out to you, Ling. And I will be home soon. Promise me, you wait for me. I need to know you feel the same way too. I'll be home. I'll be home soon. Guys, thank you so much sa isa. Salamat po. Magtambay ka, Mr. 85.
Hi, I'm Kevin, and a little thing I love about the Chick-fil-A chicken
Hi,
biscuit
Len. Shout out to you, Len.
is having that.
Sino nandito? Nakatambay ba? 4 million. Uy, GB, andito ka pala, ha? Agnes, Sandra Lee. Sandra Lee, nanood siya atin. Request ka nga na, GB. Request ka talaga. Ikaw lang pala yun. Ito ba? Mga luma tayo. Yan. Kumusta ang GB ng Seattle? Champion kayo, ha? Congratulations. Wala siya. Hindi na alam yan. Ito. Joy tayo. Uy, Ami, shout out siya. Uy, Nanda na Sunglard. Sunglard, shout out siya. Sina, welcome to Mr. Irving.
Winter snow is falling down, children laughing all around. Lights turn on, like a fairy tale come true. Sitting by the fire,
Alicia Hart. Ay, naman si Alicia Hart. Thank you for dropping by.
I would find someone, and baby, I found you. And all I want is to hold you forever. All I need is you more every day. You saved my heart from being broken apart. You gave me your love away, and I'm thankful every day for the gift.
Uy, Tony, welcome. Tony, welcome. Watching us you softly sleep. When I gave it, I could. Chris Daddy, shut up. Just this moment. all the ice is still, but the colors fade away, and the years will make us gray. Baby, I'm falling out. You still be beautiful. All I want is to hold you forever. All I need is you more every day. You set my heart from being broken apart,
You gave your love away
and I temple every day
for
for
the
the
gift.
kiss. Alice Heart, you know, welcome. Alice Heart pala, Alice. Sorry. All I want is to hold you forever. Hi, babe. All I need is your more every day. You set my heart from being broken apart.
You gave your love away,
And I can't find a word to
and I'm thankful every day for
for salamat. Hi, Beng. Siyempre, welcome. Kumusta si Beng? Kumusta naman si Beng? Yes. Kumusta ka, Beng? How are you? Ayan. Ay, nag-una-una
Good
naman
morrow,
kang
Pappy.
Valentine's.
I haven't had a Thomas's breakfast.
Advance po ang Valentine's sa inyo
More
lahat.
of the greatest stories with Disney Plus.
Sana all. Yung mga may ano dyan, ka-Valentine's. Good luck. Good luck. Oy, Forever Love. Should I say Forever Love? Welcome to Master 85. There's no lovers moon tonight as I look back over my shoulder. All the stars are shining bright. Oy, welcome Pusong Heart. Green na heart. Ay, grabe pa. Hindi ko masahin yung pangalan ko. Hindi ko masahin yung pangalan niya. Under the lover's moon. Ayun yan. Mga ano pa. Lovers. Sana all kami ni Happy Valentine kay Balikan. Eh, okay lang yan. Yeah. Okay lang yung ka-Valentine. I wish I may, I wish I might have one last chance to hold her tight. Waiting. Oy, salamat ano ha. Hindi ko masaya yung pangalan mo. Thank you for sa like. Siyawa ko nga eh. Oh, I know it's waiting for me. Ganit na ako na. Late na yan. Yeah. Eh, yung mga may kadate eh. Congrats, di ba? Chanel. May nagtap-tap nga dyan eh. Hindi ko binasa yung pangalan. Wait. Sana na lang. There's the lovers moon tonight. Ano ka, Bing? Kanta tayo, Bing. Request ka lang. So, ano? May 30 minutes na yun. This world, so many souls are in its light. But for me, there, just one girl, and this way. Ano yung kanta? Kanta ng Bisaya ba? title na ito. Kanta nila sa ano, Bisaya. Diba? Under the lovers' moon. Uy, Mami Bell! Welcome to Mr. 85. Kamusta si Mami Bell? How are you, Mami Bell? Gatago pa man ako ang boses ay siya. Uy, Luna! Siya lang siya. Kata mo, Bisaya. Maganda ba? Katahon na ito. Siya lang. Yan kung nandito. Pinapractice ko yun. Ito pala. Kantahan na ito, Bisaya. Ayan. Sige, kumanta, sir. Sana. Mag-share pa. Mag-share. Luna! Shut up!
Insurance is proudly customer owned. We know what keeps you going, and we work harder to protect it.
Bisaya ba yan? Kantahan na. Ay, shout out sa mga Bisaya dyan. Welcome to Mr. 85. Ay, sige, tap-tap ko na si Juan. Ay, ayaw ko na si tap-tap. Ay, kita si friend, kita kilala eh. Ako ay baon sa pambuhaton para bumalik na ko ang pahiyong ibuhat na ang mataas. Mataas na palitan natin. Ang kasakit nga ihatay niya ni mo way makapukong pero basin tagaan ko ni mo gigayon higog maunti ka daro pero gikapoy na ko unsa man gyud padul nga nato sultihin ko hunong latsad balik siya ang kagahapon mo, ako ang nanian. Karoon, giguban niya ang dukan mo. Giayo ko ang kasing-kasing mo. Pero nga naman ikaw, dili ka kalimot niya. Gigo magyuti ka. Ayaw na balik niya. Ay, pag-share ba? Ay, hindi ko na masayang pangalan. Palitan mo muna ba? Kasakit nga, gihatag niya di mo. Way makatubong, pero basi. Tagaan ko ni mo kikiyon. Higog maunti ka daron. Pero gikapoy na ko. Unsa man gyud padul nga nato sultihin ko hunong lang sa baliw siya ang kagahapon mo ako ang anian karon giguba niya ang dukan mo giayo ko ang kasing-kasing mo pero ano man ikaw dili ka kalimot niya di ko magyuti ka unta ayaw na nagbalik niya saan hindi ko alam yung nahunlap hindi ko pa siya tinakanta may ang nahunlap hindi ko siya na pero ano yan siya pag may nagla-live doon nire-request ko yan Mistisang Hilaw uy si Mistisang Hilaw nandito siya na si Mark nire-request ko yan doon may ano doon nagla-live ng galing na kamanta bata pa yan kung bata pa yan pag nag-live siya napunta ka sa nire-request ko yan ay yung mga nag-request sa akin sorry kasi I can't, palitan mo yung pangalan mo. Hindi kita nakilala, Sincere ka na. Ayan. May basyon. Ay, natama siya. Ako sa sir, gi-practice ko lang ako. Yan. Try natin to ha. Ay, himayang na kung
Predator Badlands is now streaming on Hulu and Hulu on Disney Plus.
You've come to
Ano
the
ba
most
bibig
dangerous
ko? Ikaw ba yun? Hindi ko nababasa ang pangalan. Uy, Jackie! Jackie pa. Sana. Eto, Bisaya. Shout out sa mga Bisaya dyan. Huwag kang pumito eh. Di ba? Iba. Ingat sa gihimo karon kining kalago. Ano na bilang gawin sa usa ka dako. Wala na'y masayod kung unsa ang ngayong buhaton. Handumon ka ba? Kasilagan ka ba? O kalimtan na lang? Ingon sa gayhaya karon akong kalamnan. Wala na'y umoy bisan jutay kining balatian. Gani sa luha ako intaw na husay. Wala na'y gahong kining